Hi. Hey guys, hello guys, everyone. Alright, today we're checking out Morissette performance of Golden. I'm super excited for this. Let's hit play.
Bluetooth disconnected.
Thank you siya. She probably performed Golden because she just got her gold play button. Sakto, diba? Grabe, the mic is super clear. As in, you can hear every little detail. Gusto ko sumabay ng kanta kaya lang maka... Alam mo na. Hype na hype kasi yung song na ito. I feel like she's only just learned this song like recently lang. But you is still feeling it. Siyempre Korean song to, diba? Meron ding Hangul lyrics. We all know what Mori can do, so now I'm just reacting to whatever she's doing in this performance. Ang ganda ng room niya, very clean and aesthetic. She looks so genuinely happy. Sobrang saya niya. Masayahin talaga siya. You can really tell she's always full of good vibes kahit mataas yung kanta. Diba yung song na to is already mataas pero it feels like parang itinaas pa niya yung key. Sa tingin mo, tinaas niya yung key? Pilay ko tumaas. Bakit naman tataas pilay? Hirap kantahin yan. Nililip-sync ko lang. Woo! Taas! Mataas yun, mataas yun. Mataas. Morissette never fails to impress. Her pitch control and overall delivery were absolutely flawless. You can really feel her joy while performing. It's so genuine and uplifting. The song is already challenging, but she took it even higher and made it sound effortless. And the vibe of the whole performance, from her vocals to her expressions to the energy she gives off, is pure Mori magic. She truly stands out, and performance like this just prove how exceptional she is. Ang bibigay ko na rate dito ay perfect. This gets a perfect score from me. Ikaw naman. It's really a joy to watch Morissette when she sings. I noticed she did discover in just one take. Kasi she received the gold button. So she sang this. Just right since the title is golden. Diba talino ko? I noticed the mic was super clear. Like really hot. There wasn't much auto-tune, diba? And her singing sounded so raw and natural here. She's also really good with Korean diction. You'd think she's actually Korean. Sa totoo lang, what more can I say? She's gorgeous. That alone deserves a 100 rating for this cover. Ay, nagkamali ako. Sorry naman. Dapat kasi ginagawa mo. Namali ako. Sorry. The original song is insanely hard. So this version totally deserves some.